Introducing the Driver App Walkthrough Video, your guide to discovering the features of the Motiv Driver app, for new drivers. The Motiv Driver app is the go-to tool for drivers to manage their day. Let's begin by logging into the Motiv Driver app. Home screen. The home screen is customizable and shows you what's most important to you each day. Issues are highlighted, actions are a single tap away, and everything is in a centralized place. Connect to a vehicle. One of the first things you'll want to do is connect to a vehicle. To quickly connect to a vehicle, tap on the bottom drawer and select Connect to a new vehicle. You can search for a vehicle by typing in the vehicle ID or selecting from the list below. Once selected, you will see a prompt connecting you to the vehicle using Bluetooth. Tap Allow to turn on Bluetooth to connect device. Tap OK. You are currently connecting to vehicle. Please make sure you are inside vehicle to connect. Once you have successfully connected via Bluetooth, you will see a green connection icon. Compliance. Change duty status. Manage your hours of service with the Motiv Driver app. To change your current duty status, tap on the bottom drawer and select which duty status you want to go into. You can add a location or any notes. Tap Save to update your current duty status. Editing logs. To edit your log, go to the Logs tile from the home screen and tap on the log you want to adjust. You can insert a past duty status by tapping the plus button at the bottom. Or, you can tap on an individual event to make edits. While editing your logs, tap on Form to carry over your trailer, shipping documents, co-driver information, and more. Tap Sign to sign your log. Simply draw your signature and tap the Agree button located in the upper right corner. In case you miss signing on any given day, the home screen will highlight it for you to quickly review and sign your logs. Viewing HOS clocks. To view your hours, go to Log screen and tap on the clock button in the top right-hand corner. If you have a secondary cycle set up, you can then toggle between your primary and secondary cycle hours to see how much time you have left. You can also view your available hours in the bottom drawer of the home screen. These clocks will tell you how much time you have left, so you can keep track of your available hours. Inspection mode. To share your logs with an officer, go to the side menu and select DOT inspection mode. Here you can either begin inspection, send an output file, or send logs. To lock down the device, so that you can hand over your phone to an officer, without them being able to see anything else in the app, hold down on Begin Inspection, and enter a passcode. Once you have entered a passcode, you can hand over your device to an officer, and safely share your logs. Maintenance. With the Motiv Driver app, you can complete vehicle and asset inspections to manage your vehicle health. To complete an inspection, you can go through your logs, or directly tap on Vehicle Inspection under Maintenance section on the home screen. After you have selected your vehicle and filled in the general information, you will need to select your inspection type. Start your inspection by tapping on the Inspection Type drop-down menu. Select whether you would like to do a pre-trip or post-trip inspection. After you have selected your inspection type, you can indicate which parts of the vehicle have defects. Tap the thumbs up icon for the parts with no defects. And, to indicate a part may have a defect, tap on the triangular caution icon to indicate it. A prompt will appear asking whether this is a minor or major defect. Select a defect type. Once you have selected a defect type, you can include any additional notes and attach photos. After adding all the necessary details, simply tap on Save. In order to complete your inspection, you will need to sign the inspection report. Simply draw your signature when the Sign Inspection prompt appears, and tap on Certify and Save to finish. Safety. You can view your driving performance through the Safety Hub on the Motiv Driver app. You can reach the Safety Hub through the side menu, or directly tapping on the Safety section on the home screen. In the Safety Hub you will be able to see your drive score and review your coachable behaviors. To review your coachable behaviors, tap on the Tasks to Review tab. Here you can see coachable behaviors you may need to review. Tap on Distraction to review the coachable event. When reviewing a coachable event, you can view its video, how many points were deducted, and a pro tip on how to prevent this behavior moving forward. Once you have reviewed the behavior, tap on Mark as Reviewed. The reviewed behavior will then move into the completed task section. Messaging. From the side menu, go to Messages to read existing messages and send new ones. Tap the plus button to send a new message to either your team or a specific user. Tap the unread messages to view more details. Here you can reply to the text messages, and by tapping the plus button, you can also share your location, take photos, and add images. Dispatches. If your company uses Motive for dispatching, or has an integration with a TMS, you will see a dispatch feature in the driver app. To accept a dispatch, go to the Dispatch module from the side menu. And tap on Review and Accept Dispatch. The details for your dispatch will appear, allowing you to review its pickup and delivery details. Once you have reviewed the details, tap on Accept. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you accept this dispatch. To confirm, tap on Accept. Now you have accepted the dispatch. Start your dispatch by tapping on the Start Dispatch button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you wish to start this dispatch. Tap on Start Dispatch to continue. When you arrive or depart from stops, the Motive driver app will automatically update your dispatch's status, based on your geofence location. At each stop, you can access the forms configured for you, and submit its information. You can also upload record signatures, or images as well. Here you can fill out the required details for this form, and then tap on Submit. When you depart from your last stop, the dispatch will be marked completed. Tap on OK to complete your dispatch.